on don't mean that your hairdo. Pretty nails and shoes don't mean you have to trim man away.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickisha. If it's your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you get all the alerts when I upload new videos. Guys, so today I'm going to be doing my brows. This is an updated brow tutorial. So let's zoom on in and get these brows started. Alright guys, so now that we are up close and personal, let's get these brows going. I like using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. So I use a decent amount and I just apply it to my brows. Y'all, this stuff dries so fast. So once I apply it, I like going in with a spoolie right before it gets dried down, and right before it gets dried, I like going in with my spoolie. The Becca Ever Matte Primer. The NYX is a definite dupe for that, but this is my everyday brow tutorial. This is how I do my brow every day, and I definitely am not going to be using Becca on my brows every day. If I have somewhere special to go and I need my brows to be on fleek, yeah, I'll definitely grab the Becca. But for every day, NYX does the job for me. So you guys can see how that looks already. Really mattifying and dried down. The Ambrosia Cosmetics, the Trinidad brand. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. So I'm using this Morphe brush, the M165. Take the product up on the brush, and I use the cover, and I just take off the excess. And I go ahead and I line the bottom first. So because I want to make sure you guys really get to see how I'm doing my brows, I'm not going to speed up this video at all. See that I'm taking my time with my brows. Then you just blend it in. And then I turn the brush and I just make strokes going up like brow hairs. And I usually don't dip back into the looks a little bit janky, but I usually don't dip back into the product again. I just use whatever I picked up originally, and I'm just combing out my brows using the spoolie. So guys, I do my brows almost every single day, and I don't know why when it comes to me recording I always mess up, but I'm gonna fix it. Stay tuned. Alright, next side. So I'm following the same steps on the other side. I'm outlining the bottom of my brow first. And then I'm outlining the top. And then I'm just filling everything in. So for the front of the brows, I'm using very light hair-like strokes. Alright, this brow came out way better than this one, but we're gonna fix it. I'm using the concealer from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop on the back of my hands. Then I'm going in with the crayon case paintbrush, flattening that out on the back of my hands. I'm gonna start from in the middle and just come right across. So I just want to point out that naturally our brows are not twins. They're more like sisters, sometimes first cousins, but we try to aim for them to be as twins as much as possible, but being sisters is completely fine. Cut right across. and down. Perfect. Then I just take the excess. I'm actually gonna mix some Born This Way concealer in maple in with what's left on the back of my hands. I'm just gonna pull the concealer down. So the Born This Way concealer in maple is a darker tone than the NYX in Golden Honey. So I like mixing the two. You want to kind of have the color on your eyelids be a little bit darker than the brow bone. The brow bone is usually a lighter color, so you get the brow bone highlight through your concealer. So that's the reason why I like mixing the two colors for my lid. Next, I'm going to take the Born This Way foundation in Chai, and I'm just going to outline the top of my brows. Like same brush, same technique. Start up from the middle again. Try to get it even as possible. Alright, so that's pretty much the brows, and I just blend down. So I'm just blending still. I'm gonna go with my Fenty sponge, and I'm just gonna blend the concealer out, blend my forehead out. Alright, so that's the brows. And here's the new product. This is the Becca 24-hour brow setter. And that's what I've been using to get these brows on pretty much fleek. Alright. You just put it on, and it has these little combs, spoolie kind of combs on it that you can just comb your brow hairs with. So guys, as you can see, I'm taking my time and I'm combing through each brow hair just to make sure it's defined, coated, and set. Normally I'll do this at the very end after I have put on my eyeshadow and really like set my face, and so usually the last step, but just because this is an only brow video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So here's the brows. All right, I hope you guys, I'll come back and close out the video once my face is like fully beat. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this updated brow tutorial. Loving it. Looks so natural, not overdone, but still done, you know. Love this new way of me doing my brows, and I believe you can do this with any product. Pencil. Yeah, this Benefit brow setter, it's truly amazing. Okay, amazing.
I feel flame. All who did not know me when not done, they gonna know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.